Every 40 seconds, someone has a stroke. It can happen to anyone, young or old. The scary part, many people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. But if you know the signs, you can save a life, maybe even your own. Stay with me. This could be the most important video you'll watch today. What is a stroke? A stroke happens when blood flow to the brain suddenly stops. Imagine this. Your brain is like a bulb. It needs electricity, or blood flow, to stay on. The moment blood stops reaching it, parts of the brain start dying. That's why every second counts. You don't need to be a doctor to spot a stroke. Just remember fast. F, face drooping. Look at their face. One side not moving. A little crooked smile. That's a warning sign. A, arm weakness. Ask them to lift both arms. One arm dropping. That's a problem. S, speech trouble. Can they repeat a simple sentence? If they slur, struggle, or can't speak at all, that's serious. T, time to act, don't wait. Call emergency immediately. Minutes matter. Every moment lost means more damage to the brain. Now, let's talk about something even more important. What if I told you, stroke doesn't just happen? There are warning signs, years before. These are the silent killers. High blood pressure, you won't feel it, but it's the biggest reason for strokes. Diabetes, high sugar silently damages blood vessels. Smoking and alcohol, they don't just hurt your lungs or liver, they can lead to stroke. Obesity and lack of exercise, poor circulation, slow damage over time. Heart problems, irregular heartbeat can send clots straight to your brain. Most people ignore these until it's too late, but you don't have to. How to reduce stroke risk? Good news, you can prevent a stroke starting today. Here's how. Control BP and sugar, get tested. Take medicines if needed. Eat healthy, more fruits, veggies, and nuts. Less junk food. Exercise daily. Even a 30-minute walk can make a huge difference. Quit smoking and limit alcohol. Your brain will thank you. Manage stress, breathe, relax, sleep well. It matters. Small changes can save your life. I want to tell you a real story. A friend of mine, his father had a stroke. He had warning signs, slurred speech, numbness in his hand, but he ignored it, said he was just tired. By the time they rushed him to the hospital, too much brain damage. He survived, but he never walked again, never spoke properly again. Now imagine, if someone had recognized the signs earlier, if he had acted fast, maybe things would have been different. I don't want that to happen to you, or someone you love. So do this. Share this video with your family. You might just save a life.